Hey, it's Christine, and I get the opportunity to hang out with
Julian Sanchez.
We are here today at a networking event. We were talking about South Florida real estate, and last year he bought a property, right? An apartment building. Where was it located?
Miami, Opalaca.
Was it a value add?
Yeah.
How many units?
38.
How many units are value add?
Pretty much all of them.
Opalaca is a great area that's changing right now. So one of the things that we just wanted to hop on here real quick. Hey, the summer's coming. What are we going to do with South Florida real estate?
Insurance prices are through the roof. We bought this asset at a great price, so it's a cost we're able to absorb. The concern moving forward in buying more property in Florida in general is the cost of insurance. We own properties in the Midwest. We literally pay 10 times more in insurance here in South Florida versus our properties there.
10. Anything on asset management?
For example, for this asset we acquired, rents have exceeded our expectations. We're putting the work in. The property looks completely different than when we acquired it. We've painted, put in a fence, gated. The units have been completely remodeled. New tenants that come in, and actually the existing ones, people we want to keep, moving them from an existing unit into a rehabbed one at the new price for a nicer unit, and then we can just go to the previous one, rehab that one, do that over and over.
Unit turns.
And all kind of inside the buildings, so saves us a lot of headache with having to give 60-day notices, wait for the tenant to leave, etc., etc.
Tenants who are already there already appreciate where they
Yes.
live, and they just want to move into a new place, which is great too.
And
It's called community. Thank you so much for hanging out with us. I'm Christine, and this is
Julian Sanchez.
We're going to check you next time on South Florida Real Estate.